Hey everyone, it's Alex from ZipGrow, and today we're going to be talking about planting your ZipGrow Tower. Before we begin, we need to ensure that all the seedlings to be transplanting have sufficient roots. Roots must be to the bottom of the plug and long enough to reach the wicking strip to have access to the water. We want to pick the best and save the rest. Seedlings that are stunted or that are leggy should be avoided to maximize quality and consistency. Make sure that the transplanting area is clean and sanitized to prevent any type of contamination. Only transplant into clean media and towers to provide your seedlings with the best chance at success with little or no pest pressure. We want to plant clean and harvest clean. Use properly spaced racks depending on the crop you will be planting. Larger species, such as kale, require proper spacing to get multiple harvests from one planting. Always refer to the seed package regarding spacing. You will need your towers, matrix media, wicking strips soaked in water, seedlings, pulling hook, and nitrile gloves. Remove the ZipGrow Tower from the zip rack by pushing the tower upwards towards the emitter and swinging the back of the tower away from the rack. Once the base of the tower is clear of the gutter, lower the tower from the header and the tower should be free. Place the pre-soaked wicking strip on one half of the media. Make sure that the wicking strip is approximately 1 inch away from the growing face of the media. Overlap the back of the media and leave a tail at the top of around 2 inches, which provides a catchment for the nutrient solution from the emitter. Space plants along the media so that the roots are in contact with the wicking strip and that the top of the plug is even with the matrix media. It is recommended that you angle the plugs upwards towards the face of the media to ensure that the water flows down the plug to the back of the media and not away from the tower, causing it to leak on the floor. Fold the media in half over the wicking strip and the seedlings. It is important to not plant seedlings within 6 inches of the top of the bottom of the tower so they do not get pinched in the gutters when installing. Using the matrix media pulling hook, pull the folded media and seedlings through the top of the tower. Return the tower to the zip rack and reconnect the quick connect fittings to supply the nutrient solution to the newly planted tower. It's recommended that you check on any plants that were recently planted at the end of the day to make sure that none are dry or need to be pushed further into the media to make better contact with the wicking strip. Thanks for watching. Once again, I'm Alex from ZipGrow. We'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. And as always, please like and subscribe and have a great day.